Howdy, howdy, howdy. This video is for Nelson at Superior Foundation Repair. My name is Joseph Graham, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I got an email from the Lone Star Times. They're like, "Hey Joe, can you send these guys a heat map till we get their article ready? Thanks in advance." So check this out, Nelson. I went ahead and I ran your Google My Business, this thing right here. This thing's called a GMB, and I ran it through our heat map tool. And what this does is shows us everywhere you are and everywhere you are not ranking in the top 3 map listings. Okay, I ran two because I wasn't sure. I was like, man, is this because you like your office was like in the middle of Austin and like San Antonio? No, it was just Austin. But anyways, forget that. So this shows a little bit about me before I get started. I'm based out of Fort Worth, Texas, but I mean I've worked with foundation repair companies. I'm a marketing consultant, okay? Also like lead generator. So I work with a lot of waterproofing, a lot of foundation repair guys, a lot of concrete guys, and I'm gonna show you what we do. Check this out, Nelson. What you're looking at right now is the heat map, and this shows everywhere when someone's doing a search. So let's say I'm doing a search for foundation repair, right? You got these people up here paying for ads. You got these map listings right here, and then you got these organic businesses. These map listings get 80% of the calls. 80% of the calls. So if you are getting like doing a lot of work on like the east side of Austin, right? If you're doing like a lot of work out here in this area, in this area right here, this is probably why. And this is like a bigger view. This is like I went a little bit wider. So if you're doing like a lot of work, sure, in this area, this is probably why, because this is everywhere you see a 1, a 2, and a 3. A 1, 2, and a 3. You're appearing number 1 in those search results in the map listings. You're in the top 3 map listings, right? So, but someone on the other side of town, like let's say by Lakeway or the hills, up by the hills, by Bee Grove, Bee Cove, if someone's searching for foundation repair, you're not showing up in those results over there, right? So you're missing out really on a lot of search, a lot of sales, a lot of phone calls, a lot of money just from this side of the. I'm not saying someone from this area isn't going to call you. I'm saying someone in this area isn't going to find you online and give you that first call like they would. Let's just take a look. I'm trying to keep this short because I know you're busy. So look, let's go into Dathan, or I don't even know how to say that. Walter, someone in this area. I gotta get out. So someone in that Walter area, when they're searching for a foundation repair, they're gonna see you, they're gonna see Done Right, and then they're gonna see Centex, right? If they go down the street, it's just cut hair down the street, right? Commerce Park. Someone doing the same search, they're gonna see Done Right, Level Best, and then Quality. You're not even on the map. And then if someone goes over here, like in Austin, in the city limits or whatever, you're gonna see these guys, Hercules, 3G, and GA, right? So we can kind of gauge where you're getting most of your online traffic from. Maybe you're getting like a lot of jobs. You're doing a lot of jobs out here, right? And maybe you want to start getting a lot more jobs in a different part of the town. Okay, maybe you want to start doing that. San Marcos, right? How would you do that? We're going to show you how. And if you don't believe that these businesses and these map listings get most of the calls, we can send you some articles, a lot of research, and also we wouldn't have spent a lot of time and energy even building this tool in the first place, right? So check this out. If you want to start getting more calls, let's say over here in San Marcos, this is what you're gonna do. If you do a job out here, if you do a job out here in San Marcos, you want somebody what you want to do is you want to have your location on your phone turned on, and you're gonna start taking pictures of the job site, right, with your cell phone. And then you're gonna create a post. You're gonna create a post on here saying, "Hey, we got another happy customer in San Marcos, right? Another happy customer in San Marcos, Texas." And then you're gonna post those photos, those geotagged photos, because when you took that picture with your GPS on, it geotagged the location. Does that make sense? Like if the CIA or like the Illuminati wanted to know where you took that picture, they'd be able to find it, right? Because it's geotagged. So geotagged, and now that you mentioned in that post that you're gonna make on here, hey, San Marcos, and then you got that picture, it's just more relevance. Now your map listing might start turning green. You're gonna start ranking. Also, what you could do is, let's say you want to start ranking or becoming more relevant in Georgetown. What you would do is, when you're collecting reviews, because you should have an automated way to collect reviews through emails and text messages, right? When someone is, posting pictures, like say this guy posted a picture. So if his GPS was turned on his cell phone, these images are geotagged, right? So what you're gonna do, or you're gonna have them do from now on, moving forward, is this. If I could find a freaking review. When they give you a 5-star review because you guys are freaking badass, what you're gonna do is what was it, Georgetown? Was it Georgetown? Hold on, Georgetown. So you want them to do this. You want them to say where they're from. Well, thank you for a great job. Merry Christmas. Okay, so look, from now on, just request that they ask you, like they say where they're from, and then upload those pictures. Have them turn on the GPS and upload those pictures, right? So boom, relevance. And if they say anything like, "Hey, thanks for the French drains that you installed. Thanks for these foundation piers you installed under my house." You get it? Those are keywords. These services that they're mentioning that you did. This is a relevance, and then they're gonna upload that picture, right? So those are just a couple ways, man. You can start getting more calls, making more sales in these other areas, right? I do have another video beneath this video to explain like how to rank organically as well. But I'm gonna send you a copy of this. You can check this out. Go to Austin, Hercules. You can see where Hercules is ranking. And they ain't shit. Hercules. 3G. CA. GA. That's freaking ridiculous, man. Bats. So you can come in here and play with this. You can dominate this whole area if you wanted to, man. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I mean, there's a few things you could do to optimize your site. I'm not going to jump into all that right now. So if you have any questions or you want to, talk further about this, contact me. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's.